What's going on, my YouTube family? Alright, got to finally put together the Monopoly tee. So here we have a blank tee. I chose black simply because there was a black in the design, and I just decided, you know, for this tutorial not to even use any black vinyl. So we'll basically just be relying on the black from the shirt to complete the black part of the design. First, what we'll do is we'll lay down the white. Actually, this box is bigger, so I think I want to actually get this in place first, just to see how big the design actually will be. All right, so that means I have to pull it up, make it about 3 inches from the top, with 3 fingers from the top. All right, that's looking good like that, y'all. Oh, see, I got a piece of vinyl right there that flipped on me. I'll fix that. The G coming off. All right, so let's fix that now. Just get those back in the spot, in place. Sometimes that's what happens when you have a lot of fine pieces in your design. Shit'll start flipping, shit'll start bouncing. And you want to just hope sometimes that when you're dealing with small pieces like this, that when it flip back over the right way. You know what I mean? Alright, there we go. Get that back down. Yeah, we'll use Rhinestones then. That's what we'll do. Line that up just about right. Just a little bit. Want to make sure that's straight as can be, folks. It's looking good to me. I can actually come down just a tad bit. Now look, I got to weed that one out right there. How did I do that, folks? Tell me how I did that, y'all. Moving too fast sometimes, huh? Oh yeah, that happened. I was so excited to get this video started for y'all. I usually don't work under the press like this. See now, all types of stuff is happening. Come here, little fella. Come on, just lay back down. to it like it's your child sometimes. Lay back down. There we go. Alright. That was stressful. Get that one. Fuck it, that's gonna be the one that's reversed, I guess. Stressful, stressful, stressful. Woo, sweating and shit. Alright. Make sure that's lined up pretty good. And we can just do a quick tap just to get it off the back end. And boom. Alright, that's the first part. As you can see, that part had flipped up on the S. You know, but flipped up on the B. The bottom of the G is missing, but hey, that's alright. Still looking good to me. On to the red. Alright. Next we have the red. Now this part should be so simple because all you gotta do is line it up in that white. Line it up in that white, it'll be alright. Sometimes you might have to pull just a little bit, just a little bit to get your positioning. But it's looking good. I think we're ready for the press, ladies and gentlemen. We'll go ahead and press that for the full time and duration. I think I got my heat press up just a little high, but that's okay. Okay, that's definitely a cold peel. So we'll press that in just for a couple more seconds. Then set that to the side to cool. Check that out, y'all. But wait, there's more. We're gonna lay some stones down inside of that shirt. But then, I also have this hoodie here. Now this was pretty much, I'm gonna do this on another. I'm gonna do this on another one. I'm gonna do this on another episode. Right. Now look at that shirt, y'all. And that foil on there is so soft. Oh yeah. But wait, there's more. We're gonna finish this Monopoly tee right here. We're gonna put black stones in that. Why black stones? Well, just to give it that little pop. Alright, and grab the Monopoly tee. Let's get them unpressed. Get my pressure back up for the stones. Here we have the black stones. Gonna be kind of brutal getting it in there because it's going on a black background. But I get it. Takes a little patience. Takes a little dexterity on your part, you know what I'm saying? Lift the tape up. Position the stone design right. Lay it back down. Lift the tape up. Position the stone design. You know, sometimes you just gotta wiggle it in there. Oh yeah, that's looking good. All right, let's press that on. Lock that in. Lock that in. This is going to look amazing. This is going to look super amazing, y'all. Watch. That's what I say. Alright, let that cool down. And as you can see, how the rhinestones added that little bit of definition. But wait till the plastic come off. I don't know what to tell y'all. Look at that. But I'm not done though. Cause now I still have foil. I mean, I can still put Monopoly here in red stones and take and put the stones through the money bags. See, check that out. See how the stones just make it look like the nighttime sky over top of the dome with money falling. Yeah. Check this one now. Now it's finally finished. As you can see, I put the stones in the money bag at the bottom. And set the Monopoly in up top. On the back, I should do something like blood money or some shit. Like, you know what I mean? Them stones hit so hard, though. Them red ones don't make no damn sense. Let's get it. If you definitely like this video, please smash that like button. If you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to my channel. There's more shirts like this coming soon.